Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to make a diya with the use of CD. You can take it a waste materials like CD and few decoration materials. Now I am going to start it. Take your CD, take your diya, apply gum on the downside. Stuck it at the center. Here your diya is stuck at the center. Now take it a strip of a glitter, cut it one strip, one more, four strips. Here I am going to cut it four strips. Here it is form of sticker. You can open it and stick it here. If it is in a large form, cut it here. Same thing, small cut up should be there here. So you will get it equal marking. Open the sticker and stick it all four directions slowly. Little bit more I need to cut it. Cut it slowly. So here all four directions. Our glitting tap is stuck. Now I am going to take it a heart shape, few heart shapes. Here there is in a different colors, so I am going to use it a different colors. One heart here. I am going to remove the sticker. Stuck it little bit close. Same thing here. All four directions. I'm going to use it a lace, decorative lace. At the corner, rest of cut it. Again few on the corner. Cut it properly. It should be gone to corner. 3 here. Three on that corner. You have to place it very beautifully so your disc can be look very nice. Take it one more line and just you have to organize with the 3 dots. Here your three dots. Here also I'm going to use it 3 dots. You can make it in a different way. Three on other side. Again cut it at the end point. Again here. You can take it any beautiful decorative materials and you can make it your own directions. Here I am going to make it my own design, and you can put it at the Diwali nearby your door. Here one more I am going to take it. 3 dot. And when your material is finished, you have to put it in a proper manner so you can make it another. Here our diya is ready. You can see here. Show you a lighting diya with our decorations. You can see here a lighting diya. A lighting diya. You can see here. Thank you friends. You can make it your own ideas for our Diwali. Happy Diwali. Take care. Have a safe Diwali.